You probably heard that AI is destroying the online beat selling market and that, well, artists don't really need human beat makers anymore because they can just generate loops in seconds or the whole beat in a few seconds. You know what I'm saying? However, nobody is telling you that AI music has a massive, unavoidable legal bottleneck here. Because creators can't fully copyright or license AI generated music, they are running into massive roadblocks. And this has actually created a wide open 0-day loophole where you are, desperately needed to strip the AI out and make the music actually legal so they can profit to the highest extent. So by the end of this video, you'll know the exact way and reasons to position yourself as a high-paid programmer and capture a massive influx of cash while other beat makers are complaining about the market being dead. Now, the online producer market in tight beat space became completely overrun with AI beats, say about 2 years ago. I think we all know this. And when that happened, artists started generating their own music, but quickly noticed the severe limitations with copyrights and licensing and sync opportunities. The sync industry has completely shut the door on AI music, and because of that, labels actually side-eye your records or pay less for placement because of it. And you can only legally claim what a human actually created, leaving artists exposed and confused as to why they have limitations after paying for beats. You know what I mean? This is really real. So the key here is going to be to step into a title that's reemerging from the 70s and 80s. The programmer, if you will. You become a technician for hire who recreates the arrangements of AI generated music without using AI. And this eradicates the copyright dilution and allows the creators to have max success and total ownership. Without that mindset, you're going to miss the opportunity to become a power player in this space early. If you think that the freelance market is overrun now, just wait until the mass influx of desperate AI creators hitting the market looking for reproductions. You'll be late to the party, lost in the sea of reproducers. I mean, it's happening, and I'm gonna give you an example in a second. But if you do this right, you position yourself as a power player early, and then you add an entirely new stream of upfront cash with a chance to grab pieces of publishing or master rights early on, and vastly expand your network of artists who will eventually just buy original production from you anyway. You know what I mean? Now, this can go a plethora of different ways, but if you think that you aren't mainstream enough to get hired, just realize that you are solving a critical legal roadblock for creators who have zero clue as to what they are doing in the studio. Seriously, you're working with 100% prompters, but at the end of the day, you are using their AI generated demos as a blueprint to secure yourself guaranteed production work in a world where you might not be getting any. So I know most producers will have a lack of confidence where they think, well, why would someone buy a reproduction service from me if they are already making music for free with AI? It just doesn't make any sense. But here's an example from my community. Check this out. From 100% AI demos to human authored hits, recreators are wanted. And I've been generating strong radio ready song concepts in Suno AI, 100% prompted, and I'm hitting consistent hits. The ideas and structures are there. Now I want to take the best ones to the next level with real human execution. So if you are a producer, session musician, vocalist, or engineer who's good at replaying or reinterpreting tracks, adding human authorship for proper copyright, plus that extra soul, then let's talk. I bring the volume of polished AI demos, you bring the live instrumentation, vocals, mixing, or arrangement skills, and together we can build real ownable assets and split the results. So DM me or comment if you're interested. Serious collabs only. Let's make something that actually moves the needle. That is a real post inside my community. So the key is to understand that people will always have a desire for more. And right now, AI creators are severely limited to basic streaming and social media revenue. The moment their AI character, artist, or music starts blowing up, they will have a rude awakening when they can't land major licensing deals. So you must market directly to that pain. Sort of like this. Well, have you been rejected by the sync industry for using AI, or are you tired of not owning 100% of your copyright? Well, let me reproduce your track for maximum ownership and maximum pay. Just like that, out the gate. Now, if you don't play into their desire for more and market to this exact pain point, then you completely miss the boat because you assume that they didn't care when that's not the truth at all. The truth is they did care. So if you do it right, you realize that you don't even need to be a musical aficionado. You don't. You can offer drum reprogramming only. You can offer key reprogramming. You can offer bass, synths, whatever, strings. Breaking it down this way adds massive streams to your income and even gives hobbyist beat makers a real world entry point into the industry when you wouldn't have otherwise had one. So you don't have to know how to recreate a whole orchestra. All you have to do is offer what you're good at. And even if it's just basic drum programming, people will pay for that. Because when AI creators want more money and bigger opportunities, they will care about your human touch. Trust me, they will. So now we've covered the shifting role of the modern producer as a programmer and how to target the internal needs of AI creators. But this next part is where most producers lose their grip on the business. So I want you to stay with me, especially this type of business here, okay? Now, if you need a strong business foundation to run your record label on or your AI record label on, grab my 60-day record label system to build a fully functioning record label platform and foundation step-by-step with instructions today. All right, so most talented producers fail because they don't know how to market their services or place themselves into the proper channels for lead generation. They just post online saying, well, I make beats, you know what I'm saying? I can help you out, do this, that, and the third. And just completely get ignored because that's not helping anybody. So for this strategy, we're gonna leverage existing freelance marketplaces like SoundBetter, Fiverr, Airgigs, or Upwork and completely flip your marketing copy to target their specific legal pain that we talked about a few minutes ago. Because if you don't position your offer in this way and you just scream into the social media void that you're a beat maker, then absolutely nobody is going to find you. Come on, man. There's a strategy to this, but the sky is the limit here if you get this right, because you open up a hybrid business model where you are selling finished beats and selling reproduction services, gaining placements from angles that 99% of online producers don't even know exist. Because they're not, you guys are thinking about, I make this, so you should buy it, right? But you may think that you don't have a network, but all you have to do is approach indie artists or industry folks who have AI demos and say, hey, just like I said earlier, hey, you make the demo, I'll replay it to make it 100% clean and clear for you. Sounds simple to me. So at the end of the day, the marketplaces and the pain points are already sitting there waiting for you. You just have to show up as the solution. Take advantage of it. You know what I mean? So now write down a list of your specific musical strengths, whether it be drum sequencing or synth design and guitar and all that stuff. And then ask yourself, which freelance platform between SoundBetter, Fiverr, Airgigs, and Upwork am I going to optimize today, or am I going to do them all? And then rewrite your sales pitch or offer page to target AI creators explicitly and use phrases that we talked about earlier. Like you can pull my whole pitch and then use AI to You can use AI to rewrite them. Like, have you been rejected by the sync industry for using AI? Are you tired of not owning 100% of your copyright? Well, let me reproduce your track for maximum ownership and maximum pay. Now, the goal is truly to understand the options a modern producer has and the types of revenue generating services your skill set actually contains. The real question isn't, should you do this? It is, how much longer can you afford not to? And I'm literally giving you an inroad when you might not have any placements, but you got the skill set. So now if you need help with devising a strategy around this, book a call with me or join a group strategy call. Our group strategy calls every Monday night at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time inside the Music Moneymakers community. You can click below to join right now today. So if you think that you're unqualified, all you have to do is realize that AI creators often know absolutely nothing about music theory or arrangement. Your basic knowledge is their saving grace. And just because they know nothing doesn't mean that they don't know what sounds good. You might also say, well, the market is just too crowded. Just look at how many people are generating AI tracks right now. Who will eventually need human replay? Ask yourself, because the serious question. Some people are going to take this serious. Okay, but I need a massive studio set. Like I don't have, I need this and I need that. No. All you have to do is use your current laptop and your DAW to program clean MIDI arrangements and high quality elements with you as the human assistants. You know what I'm saying? That's really it. That's literally all they're asking for because they don't have it. You see what I'm saying? So if you were struggling with an overrun tight beat market that feels impossible to break into, or the lack of confidence or knowledge on how to actually pitch your production skills, or not knowing where or how to generate high paying leads outside of traditional leasing sites, you now have the means to become the highly sought after, legally bulletproof production partner that you've always wanted to be. You know what I mean? So, Music Money Makers, if you make music, you should always make money. Log on to musicmoneymakeover.com, grab the 60-day record label system, book a call with me, join the Music Money Makers community, grab the free stuff right down beneath this video, and watch this next video right over here to save your career, and I'll see you next time. Peace.